explored the legacy of iconic television series Law & Order through the lens of its withdrawn stars. Over the show's remarkable run, it has sadly bid farewell to numerous talented actors whose contributions enrich its narrative tapestry. From seasoned veterans to rising talents, these 40 deceased actors have an indelible mark on the franchise, shaping its identity and captivating audiences with their compelling portrayals. Join us on a reflective journey as we celebrate their lives, career, and enduring impact of the world of television. Bill Moore in the TV series played defense attorney Bill Patton. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 60 years old and sadly passed away on November 27, 2007 at 76.
Looking at 25 years in Attica cold, anyone would make up a story to cut a deal. The police won't find any evidence to support it because there isn't any.
Is there?
Scott Sowers in the TV series played Billy Doyle. In 1993, when he was in the series, he was 30 years old and sadly passed away on April 1, 2018 at 54.
He put his hand in my pants. Gray flannel pants I got for Christmas.
Merwin Goldsmith in the TV series played arraignment judge Iron Fist. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 54 and sadly passed away on January 21, 2019 at 81.
And got some phone numbers. Anyway, I doubt any of the guys at the party are killers.
Why would you say that?
The women at the club are all professionals, doctors, lawyers.
David Rosenbom in the TV series played Judge Alan Berman. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 50 years old and sadly passed away on January 8, 2006 at 63.
My courtroom so rarely.
Certainly not by choice, Your Honor.
Tell your client it's time to say the magic words.
Not guilty.
Jerry Orbach in the TV series played Detective Lenny Briscoe. In 1990, when he was in the series, he was 55 and sadly passed away on December 28, 2004 at 69.
Market. We had grocery bags plus suitcases. Why not let the doorman help?
That your idea or your wife's? Keep in mind, we're going to ask her too.
Look,
Ned Eisenberg in the TV series played defense attorney James Granick. In 1997, when he was in the series, he was 40 years old and sadly passed away on February 27, 2022 at 65.
Bring those baseball bats for self-defense, not to hurt anybody, right?
Yes, that's right.
Fred Thompson in the TV series played D.A. Arthur Branch. In 2002, when he was in the series, he was 60 years old and sadly passed away on November 1, 2015 at 73.
Disrupted the moral fiber of this nation. I think Roe v. Wade was wrongly decided. And I think if you indict someone named Hagan on my watch, you damn well better convict him.
So we turn.
James Colby in the TV series played Bobby Campbell. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 31 and sadly passed away on February 23, 2018 at 56.
2 detectives came and arrested us for murder. They said they had a witness that saw me and Larry kill some guy near the job site.
What did you think at the time?
George Gizzard in the TV series played defense attorney Arthur Gold. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 64 and sadly passed away on October 2, 2007 at 79.
I'm done with this witness.
Mrs. Darcy, after your daughter visited the townhouse...
Doris Bilac in the TV series played trial judge Margaret Berry. In 1990, when she was in the series, she was 64 and sadly she passed away on October 4, 2011 at 85.
Proof before she says another word.
I'll see the lawyers and Miss Taggart in my chambers. Now.
It's a desperate act by the defendant to make...
Francine Beers in the TV series she played arraignment judge Janice Silver. In 1991, when she was in the series, she was 67 and sadly she passed away on March 27, 2014 at 89.
My client isn't accountable for the actions of a disturbed individual.
Yeah, Miss Ross, it sounds like you're conceding Mr. McDougan didn't push her.
He may not have physically pushed her, Your Honor.
Vince O'Brien in the TV series played arraignment judge Philip Franks. In 1993, when he was in the series, he was 74 and sadly passed away on June 19, 2010 at 91.
I was having an ice cream sundae in bed with Heather Locklear. You don't think that that's sufficient cause to get a warrant to check out my bedroom?
Fred J Scly in the TV series played Judge Andrew Barsky. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 68 and sadly passed away on November 3, 2015 at 92.
I can do anything I like. I like to keep the state out of our bedrooms and our churches and our telephones.
Your Honor, the warrant in this case was issued...
Sam Gray in the TV series played Trial Judge Manuel Leon. In 1990, when he was in the series, he was 67 and sadly passed away on February 1, 2010 at 86.
Have a little fun. Is this your signature, Detective?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. You swear the contents of your affidavit are true to the best of your knowledge?
Gary Becker in the TV series played defense attorney Gerald Wills. In 1994, when he was in the series, he was 43 and sadly passed away on April 13, 2019 at 68.
Have a problem with that? Really? That watch? That suit? The shoes you're wearing? Didn't Miranda buy all those for you?
Dick Letta in the TV series played Bishop Durning. In 1990, when he was in the series, he was 61 and sadly passed away on December 19, 2016 at 87.
Call for Mr. Boswell.
He accused Father Grady of having relations with his wife.
That explains her trip down the...
Tom O'Rourke in the TV series played defense attorney Peter Barons. In 1996, when he was in the series, he was 52 and sadly passed away on September 13, 2009 at 65.
Hotline on your daughter's phone. The phone records confirm a call was made at 2:57 in the morning. We believe her, Mrs. Garrison.
Lin Gohan in the TV series she played Judge Elizabeth Misner. In 1993, when she was in the series, she was 60 years old, and sadly she passed away on February 14, 2020 at 86.
Asked him for it?
I never asked him for anything.
That's nice. What did you do when Justin got a C in chemistry?
I told him he'd never get a...
Normal Fire in the TV series she played Judge Pamela Jansen. In 1993, when she was in the series, she was 56, and sadly she passed away on October 11, 2012 at 75.
Woman, 3 years.
Your Honor, he baited you.
Well, it worked. Step back.
Mike Hodge in the TV series played Trial Judge Delano Burns. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 44 and sadly passed away on September 9, 2017 at 70 years old.
Thing to those accusations, and they never proved that there was. Your Honor, what's the relevance here?
Get to the point, Mr. McCoy.
People's night.
Paul Sorvino in the TV series played Sergeant Phil Serrata. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 52 and sadly passed away on July 25, 2022 at 83.
Albert Einstein and Patrick Ewing. What do you think they got in common?
One 17-year-old Chinese kid.
James Raphorn in the TV series played defense attorney Charles Garnett. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 44 and sadly passed away on March 21, 2014 at 65.
There are a lot of people who don't play basketball who don't wind up selling drugs, Mr. Cody.
Well, I think the point here is that my client hasn't done any wrong.
Then why lie to the police about knowing Dina Meredith?
Sean Elliott in the TV series played Trial Judge Joseph Silvera. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 55 and sadly passed away on March 11, 2016 at 79.
Don't do that, or I have to leave.
Mr. Smith, sit down. Mr. Lowe.
Wait! Wait!
Dennis Farina in the TV series played Detective Joe Fontana. In 2004, when he was in the series, he was 60 years old and sadly passed away on July 22, 2013 at 69.
Gambino family, mid-level workers. You think an impossible hit?
With robbery as a cover-up, it's worth considering. Or on the other hand, Messick grew up with these dudes in Bensonhurst and he...
Richard Venture in the TV series played defense attorney Douglas Greer. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 68 and sadly passed away on December 19, 2017 at 94.
Called Mac Rangers.
I renew my objection. The defendant's association with this club is prejudicial and irrelevant.
It goes to the heart of the crime, Your Honor. Motive and
Joan Copeland in the TV series she played trial judge Rebecca Stain. In 1991, when she was in the series, she was 69, and sadly she passed away on January 4th, 2022 at 99.
Relevant, no more than a rape victim's sexual history would be.
Permission to treat as hostile?
Go ahead.
You took a...
Philip Bosco in the TV series played defense attorney Gordon Shaw. In 1990, when he was in the series, he was 60 years old, and sadly passed away on December 3rd, 2018 at 88.
Melissa owns Grand Central Station.
You get murdered too from the grand jury. It's abusive. Under extreme emotional disturbance, you're lucky if you get manslaughter too,
The
and you know
emotionally
it.
disturbed do not...
Larry Sherman played the character Judge Colin Fraser. In 1994, when he was in the series, he was 55, and sadly passed away on December 28, 2004 at 69.
Looks like he wasn't there to sightsee.
Well, listen to you. You don't even try to hide your disdain for Islam.
My disdain isn't for Islam, pal. Defendant...
George T. Odom in the TV series he played attendant. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 41, and sadly passed away on September 17, 2016 at 66.
Like a uniform? No, you know, come to think of it, it might have been a leather jacket. Big difference. Well, I wasn't paying attention to his clothes, I was mopping.
Ted Kazanov in the TV series he played trial judge Daniel Scarletti. In 1995, when he was in the series, he was 73, and sadly passed away on October 21st, 2012 at 90 years old.
Your Honor, I object to this removal.
Overruled. We will make provisions for the defendant to observe the procedures of this court.
Stephen Hill in the TV series he played D.A. Adam Schiff. In 1990, when he was in the series, he was 68, and sadly passed away on August 23rd, 2016 at 94.
We can't convict him without her.
And sticks to the deal, no matter how much it turns your stomach. And mine.
John McMartin in the TV series played defense attorney Larry Webber. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 63, and sadly passed away on July 6, 2016 at 86.
Planning a divorce. The prenuptial agreement would have limited Danielle to the income from $1 million trust.
And she can't live on that.
Well, she could live a lot better.
John Carter in the TV series he played Judge Harlan Newfield. In 1995, when he was in the series, he was 67, and sadly passed away on May 23, 2015 at 87.
To commit a homicide.
Still, regardless of your reasons, you're talking about possibly overturning a decision by the voters of this state.
E. Katherine Kerr in the TV series she played Judge Leslie Holt. In 1994, when she was in the series, she was 57, and sadly she passed away on July 1st, 2019 at 82.
Right. You have 8 misdemeanor convictions and 2 felony convictions?
Something like that.
All of which were for robbery or larceny?
Jerry Grayson in the TV series he played Jeffrey Crockett. In 1992, when he was in the series, he was 57, and sadly passed away on March 5, 2013 at 77.
That gun was stolen 6 months ago.
You're obliged to report it, Mr. Crockett.
Hey, come on, I'm just trying to run a little business here.
Yeah, and I'm just trying to put this kid in jail.
Kur Nutson in the TV series played Judge Ari Waxman. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 55, and sadly passed away on June 1st, 2018 at 81.
Miss Kincaid, I have interviewed the girl, alone. She seems genuinely fond of her father.
It's not the immediate issue.
Ben Harmer in the TV series he played Judge Herman Mooney. In 1991, when he was in the series, he was 66, and sadly passed away on September 18, 2017 at 92. What do you think when 40 actors of the series Law & Order sadly passed away, and who do you miss the most among them? Leave your comments below this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to wait for my next videos. Thank you.